Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. In this quick video, I want to show you how you can get this free report to discover 18 ways to earn money working from home 100% for free. There's a link in the description and the pinned first comment. Click that link, it takes you to this page. Plus, I want to let you know that I'm offering you a bonus. One of these 18 ways is one way that I actually make an online income, and you can do this easily from your home. And it's easy enough to start as a side hustle, meaning you can do it while you work your 9 to 5 job. Click that link in the description, land on this page, click this green button. Yes, I want instant free access. You will land on this page to complete your purchase. Simply click I have read and accept the terms and conditions. It just means the sale is final. There's no refunds. There's no refunds because it's a free purchase. Enter your first name, your last name, and an email. Be sure this is a real email because this is how you're going to get the bonus, where I'm going to show you how to get started with what I consider to be the best way out of the 18 ways you're going to get in this free report. Click Get Free Access. It's going to land you on this page. Here you can download your work from home jobs report. It's the free PDF, and you get it by clicking this green button. But before you download your report, go to your email, open up the email from Warrior Plus, which is your receipt for free premium reports, work from home jobs. Click this link to access your purchase. It will take you over to your purchase details, and here you can access your purchase, which takes you back to the page to download your report, but it also gives you this affiliate bonus. Simply click to access this affiliate bonus. It's going to take you over to this page where I'm going to show you in a video how I made $263.17 with the method that I prefer, or the #1 recommendation for making money at home and getting started and getting set up simply and quickly. Go ahead, click download the report. Inside the report, it's going to show you the basics of working from home, how to transition from a traditional 9 to 5 on-site job to a home-based job, as well as the pros of working from home, crucial things to note about working home, how to get the cost out of home working, 10 proven home-based businesses working online from home, steps to setting up an effective work from home policy, investment options when you work from home, and capital needed for a home business. But after you sign up, when you check your email, click on your purchase details, click this blue Access Affiliate bonus button because it will take you over to this video. It's going to highlight the method that made me $263.17, and that method is covered here in the work from home jobs free report. But I'm going to go into a lot further detail in this method, as well as make sure you check out the private label rights to this report so you can sell this report as your own. Also, you can access 7 complete done for you online marketing funnels with PLR. After you read this report, after you watch my video, you are going to see how powerful these offers are here on this page where you can download your work from home jobs report. And of course, understand you're going to discover 18 ways, but I'm also, as a bonus, going to show you the #1 way that I consider the best way out of these 18 ways so you can get started earning money working from home. Click the link in the description, pick up this free report. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.